James Franco, whose film and TV career showed after multiple women accused him of physical harassment in 2018, became the subject of new allegations of being physical inappropriate with Amber Heard, as her ex-husband Johnny Depp testified Wednesday in his libel suit against a British tabloid newspaper. Amber deserved it. James Franco reacts to Johnny Depp victory in court. On the witness stand in London's High Court, Depp said that Heard called Franco rapey, the Evening Standard reported. The actress also told him she had been forced to run away from his physical advances when they worked together on the 2008 comedy film The Pineapple Express, Depp testified. She told me many things that were very negative about Mr. Franco, that he had tried to kiss her and made physical advances towards her on the previous film that they had made together, Depp testified. She said he was a creep and rapist. She said he was quite aggressive in his advances towards her. Depp made these statements about Franco in the context of Heard's allegations that he was so jealous of her and Franco working together again that he flew into a blind rage and became violent toward her on a private jet flight in 2014. The Evening Standard reported. The Pirates of the Caribbean star 57 is suing the Sun's publisher News Group newspaper or NGN and the tabloid's executive editor Dan Wooten over a 2018 article that called him a wife-beater and alleged he attacked Heard, 34, during their relationship and 15-month marriage. Depp has strenuously denied he ever physically attacked Heard, with the star testifying that the sociopathic actress was violent towards him and used their relationship to boost her career, the Daily Mail reported. Depp testified that his southern upbringing made it inconceivable that he would never be violent towards a woman. Lawyers from The Sun said the publication's description of Depp as a wife-beater is entirely accurate and truthful. They cite extensive evidence that supports the defense that Depp beat Heard during violent rages brought on by anger and jealousy and fueled by alcohol and drugs, Reuters reported. The evidence includes photos, audio recordings, and Depp's own text messages. The couple met on the set of the 2011 film The Rome Diary and married in February 2015. However, Heard filed for divorce in May 2016. Their divorce was finalized in 2017. Both Palo Alto-born Franco, 42, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk have been dragged into the libel case because Depp's lawyers said during the trial's opening day that the actress had extramarital affairs with both. Both Franco and Musk have denied being romantically involved with Heard while she was with Depp, Page 6 reported. Musk and Heard became publicly identified as a couple after she split from Depp, and they reportedly had an on-off relationship that may have continued through 2018. Depp testified that he and Heard argued over her wanting to work with Franco again on the 2015 film, The Adderall Diaries, the Evening Standard reported. Depp was puzzled given that she talked about her negative experience with the actor years earlier. According to what Depp was told by Heard, Franco made repeated sexual advances, him leaning over and saying, "I'm going to kiss you." Depp acknowledged that Heard's interest in working with Franco again made him jealous, telling the court, "It shocked me. She was suddenly so friendly and happy with him. She was hoping to do better films with more meat in the part. She didn't want to be objectified and didn't have to do nude scenes anymore," Depp testified, and was of course uncomfortable with the idea of her doing nudity. During a confrontation during a private jet flight in 2014, Depp allegedly struck Heard across the face, kicked her in the back and pelted her with ice cubes. On cross-examination, Depp was asked if he called Heard a slut and pressed her to explain how much she liked getting off with Franco. Depp denied hitting Heard. "There's a possibility Miss Heard and I had a fight where those words come out of my mouth, but I didn't go into a rage and start screaming at her in front of all those people." Depp's description of Franco's allegedly creepy behavior comes 9 months after two women filed a lawsuit in Los Angeles County Superior Court saying the Freaks and Geeks star and his partners is a now-defunct Los Angeles acting school physically exploited them while they were students. The women Sarah Tyler Kaplan and Tony Gall alleged that Franco pushed his students into performing an increasingly explicit, bad scenes on camera in an orgy-type setting. The women said they were promised roles in Franco's films if they went along. Similar claims against Franco first surfaced in a January 2018 Los Angeles Times report in which 5 women, including Theater Kaplan, claimed he engaged in physically harassing or abusive behavior while he was with their teacher at Studio 24. The Los Angeles Times report also came 4 days after the night that was supposed to be the start of a career-high award season for Franco. On January 7, 2018, Franco stood before a global TV audience at the Golden Globe Awards to accept an award for Best Actor in a Comedy for his film The Disaster Artist. It was his first major win of the 2017-18 awards season. The Golden Globe was supposed to make him a serious contender for a nomination for a Best Actor Oscar. But the Me Too and Time's Up movements were in full swing by January 2018. Allegations that Franco was inappropriate to women began to pour in within hours after his Golden Globe appearance. A few weeks after the Golden Globes, officials at the Palo Alto Unified School District ordered that a mural Franco painted at Palo Alto High be painted over. Franco graduated from Palo Alto High in 1996 and was a frequent guest on the campus. Other artwork that Franco donated to his alma mater in 2014 also was to be transitioned off campus according to a statement issued by school officials. Erasing the works and donations of Pali High's most famous graduate came after pressure from parents as well as controversy on campus. Franco's career has slowed since 2017, with the actor saying in the late 2017 that he was going to take some time off. Through his attorney, the actor denied the allegations in the women's lawsuit. James will not only fully defend himself but will also seek damages from the plaintiffs and their attorneys for filing this scurrilous publicity-seeking lawsuit, his attorney Michael Blonsker said in a statement. James Franco asked Amber Heard what the freak happened to her face after Johnny Depp chucked a phone at her. The actress testified Tuesday as disturbing new photos of her alleged bruises emerged. The 127-hours star visited Heard at her and Depp's Los Angeles penthouse May 22, 2016, the day after the violent dust-up with her then-husband, according to the actress, at Depp's blockbuster libel case. "We were talking. He was saying to me, 'Oh my God, what happened to you?'" Heard said of Franco, 42, whom Depp allegedly accused of being her lover. "Franco saw my face. When I let him in, he saw my face and he said, 'What the freak?'" Heard, 34, was seen red and slightly swollen in new photos that were taken after fighting with Depp, 57, over who defecated in their bed a month earlier.